Got him food.
Okay. Do you want him to stay or?
Well, after today, he's got to go because he's bugging my customers at my drive-thru.
Okay. Can you just let him know that he's trespassed after this? Hi. Hi, sir. How are you? Management. I understand. Listen, let me just tell you why I'm here. All right. Management called us, okay, because apparently this is an everyday issue. You come here, okay, and you ask for money. All right. So what she's saying is after.
He didn't ask me for money.
Okay. It's not just you, all right? So what they're wanting to do is they want to trespass you. So after you're done eating here, okay, you have to leave and you can't come back on premise ever again. Do you understand?
Ma'am, no problem.
Okay, all right. Now can I just get ID on you?
By the way, you guys suck for letting a homeless man. He didn't even ask me for food. You guys suck. You guys suck. I'll never be back here. You guys suck. He didn't even ask me for food. I brought him from outside. You guys suck.
All right, can I see your ID?
Yes, you did. You suck.
Can I see your ID?
You suck.
You don't have an ID?
Sir, what?
Calm your voice. That's what I'm asking.
This is how I talk. I talk loud. If the officer has a problem with that, the officer's going to arrest me.
Sir, you're being disorderly.
I'm not being disorderly.
Yes, you are.
You really are,
He
though.
didn't ask me for food.
Okay.
And I saw him across the
All right.
street and I brought him over here and gave him food.
Okay, we're here because apparently he's asked multiple people, okay? Multiple people have complained. So it's not just you, okay? If management is asking you to quiet down, quiet down.
I don't even know what
All right. I need your name before you leave. I need your name before you leave.
I brought him over.
Sir,
James Lee Davis.
No, he's not.
What is it?
Jamie Davis.
Jamie?
James Lee Davis.
James.
Can I? Kingdom today.
Okay. You're not, I just need to do my job, okay?
I wasn't messing with nobody.
Station 250 locals and CIC white male.
Go ahead.
Last name is Davis, first name James, date of birth.
I got me job at my Kingdom. I got to get on down there and get it.
Okay. And I'm not stopping you from doing that. I just got to put this trespass on you.
Okay, I won't come back no more.
Okay.
We can put this in a bag, sir, if you like.
Is that bag big enough, though? Okay. You want anything done?
Please,
Okay.
forget about this guy.
All right.
Done.
Sir, can you please leave premise?
Can I finish my food?
No, you have to leave right now. He wants
Can I get a refund for
he
my
wants
food?
you out.
Can I get a
Go
refund
ahead.
for my food?
No, you cannot.
That it's not me. I'm not civil court. 10-4, can you place an indefinite trespass on him from this property?
Can I get a refund for my food if I can't finish my food?
I cannot do that. I just explained to you I'm not civil court. Okay? He wants you removed. You have to go. That's all. You can take his name.
Can I get his name, please?
Yep.
Can I get your name, please? Can I get your name, please?
I would like you to leave, sir.
All right. Can you just provide him with information to the
getting
store
kicked
so
out
that
of
he
here
can go
because I
ahead
gave a
and leave?
homeless guy food, by the way, guys. Just so you know, I gave a homeless guy food.
No, you're
They're
getting
kicking me
out
out.
of here.
Yes, because you need to kick him out.
You're being disorderly.
No, because I'm being loud. Because I'm telling you what you
Alright.
did was wrong.
Hey, listen, you have to leave. You have to leave.
Yeah, I'll probably end up
Okay.
going to jail. That's what's
You're
gonna
not
happen.
going to go to jail. I'm asking you nicely.
Yeah, I want to sit
Okay.
here and finish my
Okay.
food. So then I want a refund.
You don't have that.
But when
and
I-
what I'm
when
saying is,
the-
listen,
why
I'm
not-
not here to argue with you. I am the law, okay? You need to get your stuff and leave. That is all, okay? You want a refund, you got to go through corporate. I am not corporate. I am here to tell you, get your stuff
Okay.
and leave.
Can I get my receipt, please? I want my receipt.
All right,
You got it?
No, I don't. I didn't get a receipt. Can I
go
get a
ahead.
receipt, please?
Can you repeat that date of birth one more time?
9248.
Copy.
No, I did not get a receipt. Can I get a receipt, please? Do you mind reprinting me my receipt, please?
Is that doable? You can? Okay.
All
right.
Giving a homeless guy food.
There you go.
Receipt right here on your Great.
Had it all along.
All right.
You guys suck, though.
34 minutes. Actually, it's 40.
Come, I'll buy you food somewhere else. Come on, let's go somewhere. Come on.